Today in Nifty and Bank Nifty, in both, key levels have performed very well. In Nifty, the top zone created by a key level, price took resistance exactly at that zone, went down, again took support from the zone below made by two key levels, and then there was a breakdown and retest, and then a bearish movement in the Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, we have a beautiful valid resistance in first session, then breakdown of the next support, small retest, and then again closing exactly at the third key level. So before I move forward and I give you key levels for tomorrow, that is for Nifty and Bank Nifty, let me take you to my screen and I'll show you how today's key levels have performed in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. So before we move forward, I'll take you to my screen and let's take a quick review of the performance of today's key levels. So yes, this is Nifty Bank. You can see right here. These were the key levels as I've been telling you in my previous videos. If you can just recall or visit those videos, if the key levels are clustered together by 50 point or 25 point, 100 points in Bank Nifty, you can treat that as a zone. This was a zone, this was a zone, and this was an individual key level. You can see the consolidation right here at this zone, consolidation above our zone, slightly above our zone, and then there was a breakdown of that zone with this candle right here. This was a breakdown, and then see right here the breakdown. Momentum was large enough, bearish enough, large enough. That's why price just tore through the support zone. This support zone made by 50 points, 57,550, 57,600. But why this zone I'm calling valid and accurate? Because after breakdown of this zone, you can just look for this candle. Look the retest. Look at this retest. A beautiful retest. And then the price just fell. Fell down and went to the 57,130. Our key level was 57,130 and price closed at 57,102. This was a Bank Nifty and this is the Nifty. So this was a zone, but even if you consider 24,120 as an individual, you can just see how accurately 24,120 has panned out. See, first resistance, consolidation. This was a liquidity sweep, stop loss hunting. Okay, after breakout, buyers. Yes, after breakout, this was stop loss hunting. And see, yes, you can see at 24,120, this cluster of candle just above 24,120, this is liquidity sweep, because buyers place their positions just above such key levels. So sellers just sweep that all the liquidity and the market reverses. Now why 24,120 was a valid resistance? You can again see the retest after market reversing from 24,120. See the retest. This is the evening star pattern, reversal with the evening star pattern, and then this was a 950, 910, 40 point zone. Again I told you, this is the breakdown of this zone. made by key level 2, key level 3. Why this zone was valid? You can just see the retest again, and then the price falling down and closing at 23,795.25. So this was the performance of today for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's see the what will be the key levels for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just let me take you to my profile. Yes. See, these are the key levels for Nifty. Nearest upside 23,920, nearest downside 23,350. So 23,350 is way below. Okay, so don't expect price to reach 23,350 in one day. Okay, so these two key levels, region made by these two key levels, treat that as a zone of 50 point 24,122, 24,170. Treat it as a zone, and also here also, if you can, 360 to 420. These zones are no trading zones. Don't try to place your trades inside this zone, because price is likely to make a consolidation pattern across this zone on both sides maybe, and then breakout or breakdown of that consolidation will give you the decisive direction. So again, take a snapshot of this. You can see that. I hope, yes, you can see that. 23,920, 24,120, 24,170, 24,360, 420, and then downside we have 23,350. I've just included just one key level because it's way below. Again, this is Bank Nifty. Okay, Bank Nifty, you can see. So nearest is 57,130. So if you consider the price ranges of the Bank Nifty, you can fairly say the price is at the key level 57,102 and our key level is 57,130. So price is at the key level. So this key level will decide whether the price will move above this or below this. And then we have upside 57,900, 58,280, and then 930. And then downside we have 55,920. So just take a screenshot of this. Okay. So that's it from my side. I'll see you tomorrow.